Machine tending, which involves the automation of loading and unloading materials or parts into and out of machines, offers several benefits. Cost savings. Machine tending can lead to long-term cost savings by reducing labor costs. Improved safety. Automated machine tending reduces the risk of workplace accidents associated with manual handling of heavy or hazardous materials. Flexibility. Automated machine tending systems can be programmed to handle a variety of tasks and materials, providing greater flexibility in manufacturing processes. Enhanced accuracy. Machine tending robots are programmed to perform tasks with precision.